Finding the right engine tools can be a daunting task, especially for those looking to maintain or repair their vehicles. With so many options available, it's essential to choose tools that are reliable, effective and user-friendly. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best engine tools on the market, helping you make informed decisions to ensure your automotive projects are a success. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. At the first position of our list, we have BETOOL Compression Tester Kit. The BETOOL Compression Tester Kit is designed for accurate compression readings essential for diagnosing engine issues. This kit comes with a variety of adapters that fit most vehicles, making it versatile and user-friendly. The gauge itself is clear and easy to read, which adds to its usability. Crafted from high-quality materials, this tool is built to last, resisting wear and tear during frequent use. The durability of the BETOOL kit ensures that it can withstand the rises of daily mechanic work. Its robust design allows for repeated use without compromising accuracy. This compression tester also features an easy-to-operate release valve, which makes it efficient when switching between tests. Overall, the BETOOL Compression Tester Kit is an excellent choice for anyone serious about engine diagnostics. At number 2, we have Orion Valve Spring Compressor. The Orion Valve Spring Compressor stands out due to its strong build and impressive design. This tool simplifies the removal and installation of valve springs, making it an essential addition to any mechanic's toolkit. It features a unique design that allows for easy operation even in tight engine spaces. The steady construction ensures that it can handle the pressure without bending or breaking. Usability is further enhanced by the adjustable arms that accommodate different spring sizes, ensuring compatibility with various engines. The Orion compressor is not only durable but also effective, providing precise compression without slippage. This tool is an excellent investment for anyone looking to perform valve spring replacements or adjustments efficiently. Next up at number 3, we have Camshaft Holding Toolkit. The Camshaft Holding Toolkit is a must-have for timing belt and chain replacements. This tool is specifically designed to hold the camshaft in place while you work on the engine, preventing any movement that could disrupt timing. Its design features multiple slots for different camshaft sizes, making it versatile for various engines. Constructed from high-strength materials, this tool offers exceptional durability and reliability. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, allowing you to work quickly and efficiently. This kit not only enhances usability but also improves the overall effectiveness of your engine repairs. With a camshaft holding toolkit, you can feel confident that your timing will remain intact throughout the repair process. The number 4 position is held by Fiada Compression Tester Kit. The Fiada Compression Tester Kit provides comprehensive diagnostics for engine performance. This kit includes several adapters, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars and motorcycles. The design of the tester is sleek, ensuring that it is easy to handle during use. The gauge is also clear, allowing for quick readings, which saves time during diagnostics. Quality is paramount with the Fiada kit, as it's constructed from durable materials that resist damage and wear. This ensures longevity even under heavy use. The usability of the kit is enhanced by its simple setup process. You can start testing in minutes. The Fiada Compression Tester Kit is an essential tool for anyone serious about engine maintenance. The number 5 position is dominated by BETOOL 13 Pieces Compression Tester. The BETOOL 13 Pieces Compression Tester is an all-in-one solution for engine compression testing. This comprehensive kit includes various adapters and fittings, making it compatible with most engine types. The engine of the gauge is intuitive, featuring an easy-to-read dial that simplifies the testing process. The inclusion of multiple attachments enhances its usability, ensuring that you have the right tool for any job. Durability is a key feature of this kit, as it's made from high-quality materials that withstand the rises of professional use. The effectiveness of the BETOOL compression tester is evident in its accurate readings, which help diagnose engine problems efficiently. Overall, this kit is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable compression tester. Next up, number 6, we have Generic Jack Boss Compression Tester. The Generic Jack Boss Compression Tester is engineered for ease of use and accuracy. This tool features a user-friendly design that allows for quick attachment to various engine types. The gauge is well constructed, offering clear readings that can be easily interpreted. With a focus on usability, the Generic Jack Boss ensures that even novice users can achieve reliable results. Quality is evident in the materials used, which promote durability and resistance to wear. The tool's design facilitates efficient testing, helping you diagnose engine issues without hassle. With the generic checkbox compression tester, you can ensure your engine is performing at its best, making it a valuable addition to any mechanic's toolkit. At the 7th position of our list, we have a QUNNIE Compression Tester Kit. The QUNNIE Compression Tester Kit is designed with versatility and performance in mind. This kit comes with a variety of attachments to fit most engines, making it a go-to choice for many mechanics. Its clear and easy to read guide enhances usability, ensuring that you can quickly assess engine health. The design is compact, allowing for easy storage and transport. Quality construction ensures that the QUNNIE kit is built to last, withstanding regular use without compression accuracy. The effectiveness of this compression tester is highlighted by its ability to provide precise readings, which are crucial for diagnosing issues. For those looking for a reliable and efficient compression tester, the QUNNIE kit is an excellent option. At number 8, we have DPTOOL Timing Tool for Audi VW. The DPTOOL Timing Tool is specifically designed for Audi and VW vehicles, making it an essential tool for mechanics who work on these brands. The design of this tool is precise, ensuring that it fits perfectly with the engine components. This enhances usability, allowing for straightforward installation and adjustments during timing belt replacements. Constructed from high-quality materials, the DPTOOL offers exceptional durability and reliability. The effectiveness of this tool is evident during its use, providing accurate timing settings that are crucial for optimal engine performance. If you are working on Audi or VW vehicles, the DPTOOL Timing Tool is an indispensable part of your toolkit. Next up at number 9, we have the Yuesstloo Camshaft Timing Toolkit. The Yuesstloo Camshaft Timing Toolkit is designed for precision in camshaft alignment. This toolkit is essential for performing timing belt changes and ensures that the camshaft is held securely in place. Its design features multiple components that cater to a range of vehicle makes and models, enhancing versatility. Quality is paramount with the Yuesstloo kit, as it's made from robust materials that resist wear. The usability of this tool is enhanced by its clear instructions and easy setup, allowing you to work efficiently. With the Yuesstloo Camshaft Timing Toolkit, you can confidently complete engine repairs knowing that the timing is accurate. Lastly, at number 10, we have ZJERYL GULL Compression Tester Kit. The ZJERYL GULL Compression Tester Kit rounds out our list with its high-performance features. This kit includes a range of adapters ensuring compatibility with most engine types. The design is sleek and user-friendly, allowing for quick setup and easy readings. The guide is particularly clear, helping you assess engine health at a glance. The quality of materials used in the ZJERYL kit promotes durability, ensuring that it can withstand frequent use without degradation. Its effectiveness is highlighted by accurate readings that facilitate prompt engine diagnosis. For those seeking a reliable and effective compression tester, the ZJERYL GULL Compression Tester Kit is a solid choice, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike. In conclusion, choosing the right engine tools is essential for maintaining and repairing your vehicle effectively. The 10 products we have discussed today represent some of the best on the market, each offering unique features and benefits. By investing in these tools, you can ensure that your automotive projects are successful and efficient.